Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sport Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Kinoilam juga senang mukro, lembat kinoilam juga kasih Students Union. Haka kat kendai terik nopra arajar apuar, kila lek pentip juga sorkar jela, halor ke jing persyang juga sorkar Asam, pencina penbahai ke Forest Beat House. Kabla siap wiang ding, hakipat ba nong senong, hadin ke jing siap siap yap, jong kisan ngut kipat ba, haka senang mukro, haka step juga apuar terik nai wiang arajar apuar. Kumban cu pentip hang ni, ki patba ki beladam da ka jing bitar ki pulet bat ki forest guard jong sorkar Asam ki lalai ban wiang ding ya kini ke Forest Beat House bat ongru bakani ke jing kuntur put jong sorkar Asam kala long kadau ke bawan ra ke jing yap jong ki sanut ki brio hak snong mukro wat lagi no ilam jong snong mukro ki la persyang ban ya kendo yu menteri rang ba ka jelau konrat kongkel sangma hak kamera terekam jong u hamin sekretariat Henry Kim Shim la yo lat setia banyak kendo u wat hadian bakila ap kemilenti jen si kentai Henry Kinong Trey jong ke Chief Minister's Office kila pentip ba u menteri rang ba la setia banyak kendo iki hakini kesengi namar ba ubun kam syaba palat
Kejiwan jing tak sengi nagadau ba besar harga jingun kam jo jingla banya yo ban kendo te ila ban shima poin pada ko Ito pangit pilatif akat kung gitu cingja ka patre ba ka sorkar Asam gala sedang biang ban shna ban maramot biang gitu ka Forest Beat House yung kita kadang ta kan ba jing bun kam jing itu yang kan salam ta kasih baru sebut pengen berdua ya kata nimla bahaban itu ki amar ngi syui aga penyiar gi material sungki pada ka construction room ya shikmat tamata ya kata la ba man oi pin mar aku menta ka construction kadang ya shikmat bagi tiar kita ki poi be permit long untuk menstab ke poi tiar kejikwa cungi long ban kenrian no itu batan cancel no itu ya kata kenyi wan kuat kami berkenaan manusia normal kuat ikan yang keren gitu gak kena pentut show tau baga jeng sedang jungka ban senai gitu tergaton bijing mot selanda ya mentah daga kam pentut ya kata hadu mentang pat betip mah namar ba kadang sunak tang ketet long kejing kuat jeng iban kendo bat turu tolong galor kata ya kata te nadu mensyuaru nila yo i katu ga long ka sekolah study school joki tambah ka sorkar Asam ka aktif kidon shibon ya kata lemar ni kit da kesong la kalian kesno tingi kum di representative jong kesno ni kibon jokit ban batai detail sekitar sini. Main long kata ke construction ni jong ke sorkar Asam. Ya kata ni empat TV dah sah umdom. Nota kada.
Okey repair ya tu ni kita
isna betul.
Ya kan juga perkara.
Kita penhe susu area. Ka jingbo ye ka apo sabarato galong sibantah ka jingsingan ni yang isu tu ka han barok he. Ta banya keren pat yingi badan habor dan ka sorkar Meghalaya ka dewan berkat kumbai song ngi mo ladang ilek hangno long ka basa kamsuk teban lek ha belum klik berdai pet ya
citizens from that area along with us the Khasi Students Union. The objective of this meeting is to meet the CM to apprise him on various issues regarding the situation that is happening right there in Mukro. But unfortunately, we were not able to meet him because we received news that he is not feeling well. So we hope that he will recover soon. And the reason that we came here, along with the leaders from Mukro, is that as we can understand that on the full day of the 22nd of November, five unarmed villagers were gunned down by the Assam police and the forest officials of Assam. And the main reason that incident happened is because of the presence of the office of the beat officer of the Forest Department of Assam. It is there that those officials are there that they will detain any vehicles coming from Meghalaya, any person coming from Meghalaya. And there are reports also that people who go to the fields and who went to the forest to collect forest produce, they are being detained, they are being extorted. If they don't pay up, then they cannot return to their villages. So what had happened is that after the firing incident in the 20th of November of this year, we have observed that they have dismantled the public from Meghalaya side has dismantled this beat office. But then when we visited a few days back to Mukro in the presence of the villagers, we observed that they have reconstructed that beat office, and this even more better than the last one, well furnished, and there are many officials out there. For the information of the public and the government, the beat office is present inside the territory of Mukro village. It is well known in any Khasi village that if you want to do anything, if I want to construct a private residence of my own also, I will have to first seek permission from the village Dorbar. But that is not the case with regards to Assam. What they are doing is that they just enter illegally, construct that beat office, and now they have posted a lot of officers out there. To get a better, clearer picture and understanding is that the Meghalaya police are present near the residential area. But villagers, they do not work in the residential area. They will have to go to the jungle, they will have to go to their fields. And in between the residential area and the fields within the village of Mukro, the Assam police personnel are there and the beat forest officials are there. So the objective of coming here is to appeal to the CM to persuade his Assam counterpart to immediately remove that beat office of the Forest Department of Assam, so as to remove any apprehension, any tension that has remained there. If there is any goodwill gestures between the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam, then the first thing to do is that the government of Assam should immediately remove that beat office. Regarding the border outpost, the people out here are still confused, because some are saying that it will be in Mukro, some are saying that it will be, sometimes you get news report that it will be in Barato. Never mind about that, but when we went to Mukro, we did meet a lot of police officials. We have seen with our own eyes how there are a lot of Assam police out there, but we came to know that within the village there are only 17 Meghalaya police personnel and 22 along the border who are patrolling, and they are ill-equipped. There is shortage of manpower, and a part of that infrastructure is very less. So that is what we found out. So if there is a need to construct 2 or 3 BOPs, if they have one in Barato, one in Mukro, also fine. But the objective is that there should be enough manpower and there should be the correct amount of infrastructure.